What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to today's video. We've got the 701 Husqvarna 2021 plate from Whole Shot. Thank you very much to Whole Shot for letting us take this bike out today. So this is my first time riding a proper supermoto, so let's see how it goes. Okay, on the start up, so everyone knows it's got the Husqvarna slip-on can, so it's going to sound a little bit moosier than the stock can comes with the bike. Good thing with these kind of bikes, nice, light, nimble, really tight turning circle, absolutely ideal. So on the first gear, look how tight you can get it, nice. That's the bike. Okay, so to switch the mapping over, got on map 1 there, going to push the mapping once, making sure the throttle's closed, and there it goes, switches over to 2. Push it once, back over to 1, just like that. There you go, that's what she looks like from the side profile. I must say, KTM 690 21 plate. I must say, to me the KTM 690 21 plate looks better. I think this front end is quite old school enduro. I think they could do better with that. Let's start seeing some LEDs in these bikes. We've got LEDs in the turn signals. Let's get the hazards on so we can see that. He says hazards. Okay, there we go. LEDs in there. Let's get some LEDs in the front light. What do we think, guys? So we've got Brembos at the rear. Brembo master cylinder. Full of eye again. Yeah, you got it. Brembo's at the front. That's where all our stopping power's coming from. Like I said, Husqvarna slip on at the rear. Apart from that, everything's standard. Don't get me wrong, nice looking bike. It's just not the orange and grey. Let's get back on her, let's start heading back, go towards the blue sky.